Hi guys, welcome back to a new episode of Apps Academy. Today in this video, I'm gonna show you how you can delete your Pluto TV's account. Keep watching the video till the end. To delete your Pluto TV's account, firstly go ahead and launch open any web browser of your preference. On the search box at the top, type in my.pluto.tv and make a search. Log into your Pluto TV's account and the home page of your Pluto TV's account will appear on the screen. Click on Profile icon at the top right corner of the page. From the drop-down, tap on Manage Account option. On the next page, click on Delete Account option. Now to delete your account, enter a password associated with your Pluto TV's account and tap on Confirm. Click on an eye icon to check if you have entered your password correctly or not. In case if you don't remember your password, click on Forgot Password option. A request to delete your account will be sent. This is how you can delete your Pluto TV's account quickly and easily just in few steps. If you have any thoughts or queries, let us know in the comments section. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Also press the notification bell icon so that YouTube will notify you whenever we post a new video. I hope this video was helpful to you. Thank you so much for watching.